How are we today? Today we're going to be talking about bonding to the exterior shell and the chassis of a Caravan. Now, in these old 70s, 60s Caravans, this is one of the most common things to fail. So we're going to go through and show you the most practical way on how to do the continuity test for the bonding, and we'll show you how it's done. Now, what's really important, the Caravan is made up of sheets. And what happens is over time, the sheets start to separate or corrode. So that earth continuity from your bond to the other parts of the shell of the Caravan, most of the time, they do not pass. So make sure that you have a good continuity all the way around your Caravan. You can check this by the door, by the windows, by each panel. So let's do this now. To the lead you've run out from the main switchboard, like so. Using your meter, turn it on and switch the setting to low ohms. It's always good to do a calibration of your lead to make sure everything's okay. Then, using your test probe, attach it to any metal part on the body with a good clean connection. So we can see from our testing, there's just no earth connection anymore. So we're going to get that repaired, get that fixed up for the client. Now, after the repair's been made, turn back on your meter, reconnect your lead to the switchboard, switch it to low ohms, do your calibration beforehand, and now touching the metal, there's a pass. So that is how you test a Caravan. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. We really appreciate the support, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.